My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2015 Jaguar XE R Sport Edition. This vehicle has done just under 34,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the screen we have features such as eco data, valet mode, in control apps, climate control and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. The XE also comes with 4 different driving modes to choose from. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather red and black interior and get a good view of the sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.